All right, you guys, it's time for my gift for the guys video. This is an annual tradition, and I've got some fun things for the guys in your life. I'm Jamie, the Crafty DIY guy. All right, you guys, let's get started. I've got a digital fireplace burning in the background. That's a Netflix screensaver that's free. Well, I guess not free because I have a Netflix subscription, and I'm sitting in front of the tree, and full transparency, I bought myself some gifts, and I bought some things that are, for myself, that I also thought you guys would like to see. So let me open this really quickly so it's not super. And kind of the point of doing this video, I did this a couple years ago actually, and it was pretty popular. There were, some ladies out there that are subscribers that have some guys in their life, and they just kind of wanted some ideas on what to get them. And so I've got a couple things here that I bought again for myself that I thought I would share with you. Now this video, there's Otis, by the way. Hi, Otis. Otis. He's saying hi. But this is not a sponsored video. I purchased all these items myself, but I will have them linked. I do have a Walmart storefront, so I'll have these linked for you down in the description box. And this is just so you can kind of get an idea of some things that I like personally. And then again, there might be some stuff that you want to get for somebody also in your life. Otis is going to be sharking back there. And by the way, this is my Christmas setup. So there's my beautiful tree, the stars and the clock that's just kind of always up there. That's a Dollar Tree DIY that I just painted. This is my grandmother's, or it was my grandmother's. When she passed away, I inherited that, but my mom actually made that, and there's a music box in the bottom of that. I absolutely treasure that, and it goes upstairs. It goes in its separate box. It's wrapped in bubble wrap like it's a thing. And then I've got my giant nutcracker that I grabbed at Walmart a couple years ago. So just in case you're wondering what's in the background. Okay, so let's just jump right into this. And again, I'll have everything linked in the description box for you. I do have a Walmart storefront, and these items, I'll kind of link them separately. But this is not exciting, but you know what? It's stuff you need. I got me some Hanes boxer briefs. And this is just this is actually kind of a fun-ish package. There's some fun prints. There's kind of like a little camo print here. And there is a kind of a greenish print and then a light blue one. No, I am not going to be modeling for them, but I will put them up here on the screen for you so you can kind of see them. And then again, the link is down in the description box if you do want to check them out. Now, I was at my boo friend's house, and my boyfriend, and he had this shower gel, and it was actually really, really nice. So I bought the big one for myself. This is the Dove men's care line, and I have some of the Dove men's care line, but I didn't have any of these scents. And this particular one is blood orange and sage. It is so good. And I wanted to have some for myself as well. And then I did also see this scent, which I thought would be really nice. I've not smelled this yet, so we'll open this one up and smell it. But it is the black currant and cedar wood scent. And Otis, what are you doing, buddy? He's literally pacing back and forth. What's going on? The dryer's going, and I know he doesn't like the sound of the dryer when it's kind of everything's in there clanging around. But oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. So, oh, he's rubbing up against me. Come say hi to the people. Come say hi. Hi. He's like, no, I'm going to snag your sweater instead. So, Dove Men's Care line. These are great, super affordable. They were the larger bottles, as you can see. They've got the pump on them. So definitely fun, kind of stuff. Ow, you scratched me with your paw. These I get picked on all the time from friends, but I don't care. I like my old man socks, these gold toe socks. And they are not, again, super exciting, but they are very functional. And there's kind of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 8 pair here, 8 gold toe socks. And again, I'll have them kind of up on screen so you can kind of see the pricing and everything for them. But you know what? A good pair of socks makes a huge, huge difference. And I'm getting away from some of the patterned socks, at least for work wear. Excuse me. And I love the gold toe socks. I love the way they feel. I love the way they look. So make fun of my old man socks all you want. This I bought from me, and I just loved this sweatshirt, and it's got a Toyota Land Cruiser on it. So if you have a a guy in your life that loves the Toyota Land Cruiser or just likes a good car sweatshirt, it's also got a hoodie on it. So it's nice. There are front pockets as well. This one looks really big, actually. This is an extra large, and I'm kind of surprised on how big this is, because I think this is, yeah, this is going to be big. So I would size down in this, honestly. Again, this is an XL, and it's just got this Toyota Land Cruiser on the front, and I've always liked those cars, and who knows? Oh, this really scratched me, like I'm bleeding. This next thing, I think, so they have this great brand at Walmart, and it's called Free Assembly. And there is a designer that collaborates on the line, and I want to say it's Brandon Maxwell, but they make really nice clothing. So this is a great, just like men's coat. It's a quilted pattern. It's kind of that green color, and this was actually really affordable. This, I'll have it again on screen here. I don't know why Walmart's not putting prices on their tags, but I did try this one on in store. I would say that I'm probably like an XL for most things. To me, I thought this ran a little smaller, and they did not have the 2XL, so that's what I ended up getting. But it's such a great kind of army green. It'll go great with denim. This kind of jacket's really popular too. So I thought that was super nice, and was excited to get that. This was also something that I saw that I liked, and Walmart has a brand called George, and their George line, I think it's George Foreman, I think is who originally started it with them. But this sweater I just thought was great. Such a great classic sweater. Again, I'll have it on screen here so you can have the pricing on it, because they're not putting pricing on here anymore. I want to make sure I don't but I love the sweater. I just love how simple it is. It'll go great, obviously, with jeans. It'll go great with khakis. That's probably what I'll end up wearing this with. I love sweaters and sweatshirts this time of year. This is my favorite thing to wear. And so, we'll see. This is a pair of corduroy pants, and I did it's funny with the George stuff. Sometimes it fits perfectly, and sometimes it's like way off. But it's kind of a not quite a wide wale corduroy, but great color, perfect color. I saw a pair that were just like this. I'll put them on screen again so you have the pricing and all the info. And again, everything will be linked down below. But such a good color. And I saw a pair of Ralph Lauren corduroys that were almost identical in color, and they were like $145. And I think this pair was maybe $20 or $25. And so that's a good thing. I actually learned a trick, and I don't know if you guys know this or not, but I'm either in a 38 waist or 40 waist, depending on the cut. And with these, I did size up. So I went with a 40 just to be safe. And also corduroy tends to shrink a whole lot, and I just throw everything in the washer dryer. So, but anyway, I heard this trick that if you are looking for a pair of pants, and I've done this at Goodwill before, and it actually works, and you don't want to try on the pants, you can do this. And if the pants go around your neck and they touch on the backside, so let's I'll do it like this so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about. If you do this and they touch, then they're gonna fit your booty. They're gonna fit when you try them on your waist. Now, I did rugby for a while, and so I have some really big legs. So I do have problems with my thighs with pants and stuff, but based on the neck test, those are gonna be good. And they would actually look really good with the, actually, check this out. So you have these corduroys, you have the sweater, and then you do this jacket on top of that. That's a great outfit. You could literally get those 3 pieces for, I wanna say less than $100 for everything, which is fantastic. Now, I do have sensitive teeth, and so I just picked up some toothpaste while I was there. And then these last 2 items, I'm actually really excited about these. I am constantly changing my bedding. And there was a brand that I had not seen before at Walmart, and it was called, I was hoping it would be on the packaging here. Hold on one second, let's see. It's not, oh, okay, I thought they sent me the wrong one. It's something linen, and it'll be here on screen so you can see it. But I got a set of sheets. Now, if you are a teenager, don't get your teenager guy a pair of sheets, unless he needs them and you need that one extra gift or whatever it is. But I loved this pattern, this navy, of course, with the white and the paisley patterns. This is also, I have a queen size bed. This is a 4-piece set. So it's a fitted sheet, a top sheet, and 2 pillowcases. But that's the pattern. That's the little bag that they come in. And I love having kind of like a plain comforter most of the time, and then having something like this, it's very slippery, that you know, is kind of nice. And I'm actually I love the way these feel. These feel really, really good. Let's see if I can tell you what they're made out of. They are, it does say ultra soft, machine washable, hypoallergenic. I think I tore. They're 100% microfiber polyester. That might not be good. We'll see. If I don't like them, they're gonna go on the guest bed, because I don't want the guests staying longer than a couple days anyway. Unless it's my mama, then I'll give her some good sheets. But they feel really good, so I'm actually kind of impressed. And then this next thing, just because I'm wanting to mix it up in my bedroom a little bit, and I got this comforter. This is a great comforter. It's by that same brand, and again, I'll have this on the screen. But this was such a good value. It's a 3-piece set. So you get the comforter, which is this kind of blue texture here, and then you get 2 shams, and then I have enough, believe me, I have enough blue pillows and accent pillows to kind of make this look really, really good. But this was only like, I want to say this, don't kill me if I'm wrong on the pricing, but I want to say this was only like $40. So it really was not a bad deal at all. And when you take into consideration, like, you're going to add something like that, that's going to make it really pop. And then I've got these really cool, they're not pillow shams, they're the bigger ones. I forget what they're called. Not duvet covers. They're something else that you put that's even bigger than the pillow shams, that are made out of brown leather. And so I think they'll look really cool, especially if I can find the right pillows and stuff to go with this. So anyway, that's my men's haul. Wasn't super, super crazy, you know, out of the box items, but I'm telling you, like, some of the simplest stuff can go a really long way, especially for a guy. You know, you don't have to go crazy. You don't have to buy an expensive watch, although I will take an expensive watch, or, you know, a PlayStation or whatever it happens to be. Like, it can be very simple items as well, and that can be very, very cool. So hopefully you will like everything here. And again, everything is linked below. This video is not sponsored by Walmart, but all the links and everything are below. And you can get some stuff for your guy. All right, you guys, take care, and happy holiday shopping. All right, take care. Bye.